The world has shifted into the Age of Aquarius, where heart-led manifestation replaces the outdated, old-school, masculine approach of divorce and force and dominance. Listening to your heart, balancing your inner masculine and feminine energies, resolving your karmic blocks are essential to fulfilling your soul purpose. It's no secret the world has changed. For thousands of years, the masculine approach to manifestation, deciding what you want with your mind and taking relentless action, has dominated. This method has brought incredible achievements to some, but often at a cost, often at a great cost. People trampled over others, abused power, and created cycles of harm that left deep wounds in humanity. Now we've entered the Age of Aquarius, a time for balance, mutual respect and harmony between the divine masculine and the divine feminine energies. The old way of anyone forcing their way to the top and forcing their way to maintain their ability to stay at the top no longer works. It will no longer work. To manifest your dreams now, you must follow a new formula. Now we're in the Age of Aquarius, we have to have heart over mind. Now we have to function from a new manifestation blueprint. Now we have to listen to our feminine feeling hearts, because your heart is your compass. It is tuned to the frequency of your soul's purpose. Your heart holds the wisdom of what will truly fulfill you. Instead of making decisions just from your mind and trying to force your heart to comply, reverse the process. Let your heart reveal its deepest desires. Trust your intuition and your emotions as your guide. You still need to activate your masculine thinking mind. Once your heart sets the direction, use your masculine energy to organize, to strategize, and to take aligned action. This is not about forcing outcomes, but about creating the structure to allow your dreams to manifest. So send out your intentions as masculine electrical thoughts into the universe. Take inspired steps while staying aligned with your heart's wisdom. In this new era, we have to allow our hearts to be magnetic. We have to allow our hearts to magnetize to us what it really wants, what our soul wants, what is unique to us in the divine plan for ourselves, individually and collectively for this lifetime. The feminine energy of the heart is magnetic. Once your thoughts and actions are aligned with your desires, your heart attracts the matching people, the matching circumstances, and the matching opportunities to you. It's essential to stay in high vibrational, high frequency states of trust, gratitude, positivity, receptivity, and faith. It's essential to let go of control, force, and your physical ego and allow divine timing to unfold. So why don't the old ways work anymore? In this new energetic paradigm, the old masculine credo of stomping over others, dominating, manipulating, and scheming or forcing your way to success, or trying to keep your success, are obsolete. Now the universe demands integrity. It demands authenticity. Now the universe demands karma balancing, not karma dodging, Now the universe demands balance, and like it or not, you must resolve your negative karma. You must heal your childhood wounds, your betrayals, your heartbreaks, your limiting beliefs, to clear the way for your desires to come to you. Now the universe demands frequency matching. Now you can only attract what matches your vibration. If you're carrying low frequency energy like resentment, fear, hate, guilt, shame, blame, victim consciousness, lack consciousness, or greed, you automatically block the manifestation of high vibrational outcomes to yourself. Now the universe demands soul alignment. True fulfillment comes from following your soul's purpose. It does not come from chasing material distractions. Without spiritual alignment, even great success will still feel hollow. Don't allow yourself to get trapped into surrounding yourself with a bunch of toys or a bunch of yes people and still feel like something is missing. To manifest, to achieve your goals, to fulfill your soul purpose now in the Age of Aquarius, you need to heal and release your karma. You need to practice forgiveness for yourself and for others. Resolve lingering emotional wounds and release behaviors that block your desires. Use meditation, journaling, and energy clearing practices to stay aligned with your high frequency. Use positive journaling to stay aligned with your highest frequency. Whinging, whining, complaining, blaming, and being the victim journaling won't get you what you want. Whinging, whining, complaining, blaming, and being the victim journaling will lower your vibration and guarantee that doors will stay closed to you. Balance your masculine and your feminine energies. Cultivate your feminine energy by tuning into your heart and your intuition. Strengthen your masculine energy by taking inspired and organized action. Put your plans into action. Harmonize both your masculine and your feminine energies to create a powerful flow of manifestation to you. Live from your live from your spiritual ego, not your physical ego. Surrender your physical ego's need for control, power, and external validation. Align with your divine plan and trust the process of your soul's journey. Focus on fulfillment. Focus on joy. Be grateful and focus on contribution over acquiring material gain. So what's the takeaway here? Manifestation in the Age of Aquarius is not about forcing outcomes. It's about aligning with your heart's desires, clearing your karmic blocks, and creating harmony between your inner divine masculine and your inner feminine energies. By living authentically and following your soul's purpose, you can not only manifest success, but true fulfillment.